Banila Company. Dear Hydration Skin Care Starter Kit. 4-piece kit. Product overview description. Dermatologist Tested set contains Banila CO Clean at Zero Cleansing Balm Original. 25 ml. 0.84 fluid ounces. Banila CO Clean at Zero Foam Cleanser. 8 ml. 0.27 fluid ounces. Banila Company Dear Hydration Toner. 30 ml. 1.01 fluid ounces. Banila Company Dear Hydration Boosting Cream 10 ml. 0.33 fluid ounces. Jumpstart your skincare routine with the 4 pieces deluxe into set. Banila CO Clean at Zero Cleansing Balm Original. 3-in-1 cleansing balm that quickly melts away stubborn face and eye makeup and completely cleanses skin in one simple step. Banila CO Clean at Zero Foam Cleanser. Moisturizing foam cleanser that transforms from sherbet gel-like cream to rich foam, leaving skin clean and refreshed. Banila Company Dear Hydration Toner. Moisture charging toner to hydrate skin with fermented lotus flower water, removing skin impurities and creating a dewy glowing complexion. Banila Company Dear Hydration Boosting Cream. Daily Face Moisturizer contains fermented lotus flower water to protect skin from harmful environmental pollutants for a healthy, silky and glowing complexion. Before makeup, Mighty Hydrator for moisturized and radiant skin for beautiful makeup. Zero Balance Technology. Formulated to provide a special benefit of deep cleansing and hydration for healthier skin. Suggested use. Order of use: Clean at Zero Cleansing Balm Original, Clean at Zero Foam Cleanser, Deep Hydration Toner, Dear Hydration Boosting Cream. Other ingredients: Banila CO Clean at Zero Cleansing Balm Original, ethyl hexyl palmitate, cetyl ethylhexanoate, PEG 20 glyceryl triestearate, PEG 10 isostearate, synthetic wax, onsen sui, phenoxyethanol, butylene glycol, lithospermum erythrorhizin root extract, tocopherol acetate, fragrance, ethylhexylglycerin, water, 1,2-hexane diol, Bambusa vulgaris leaf/stem extract, Aspalathus linearis extract, Angelica archangelica root extract, Malpighiae glabra, acerola, fruit extract, polydiethylene glycol adipate/IPD copolymer, acrylate/ammonium methacrylate copolymer, acrylate/methoxy PEG 15 methacrylate copolymer. Banila CO Clean at Zero Foam Cleanser. Water, glycerin, myristic acid, potassium hydroxide, glycol distearate, lauric acid, laureth 7, palmitic acid, PEG 8 sodium methyl stearoyl tartrate, sorbitan olivate, butylene glycol, Panax notoginseng root extract, fragrance, tocopherol acetate, disodium edta, hydroxyethylcellulose, Malpighiae glabra, acerola, fruit extract, Aspalathus linearis extract, Cl 14700. Banila Company Dear Hydration Toner. Water, propane diol, pentylene glycol, alcohol denate, bis PEG 18 methyl ether dimethylsilane, glycerin, 1,2-hexane diol, hydroxyethylurea, trehalose, C1214 perith 12, butylene glycol, pyrus malus, apple, fruit water, Nelumbo nucifera flower water, ethylhexylglycerin, fragrance, parfum, sodium hyaluronate, xanthan gum, BHT, phenoxyethanol, Bambusa arundinacea juice, yeast extract, propylene glycol, Pinus sylvestris bud extract, Ocimum sanctum leaf extract, polyglutamic acid, Azadiracta indica leaf extract, Mentha arvensis extract. Banila Company Dear Hydration Boosting Cream. Water, Nelumbo nucifera flower water, glycerin, butylene glycol, dimethicone, cyclopentasiloxane, octyldodecyl myristate, acetylglucosamine, PEG 32, sodium chloride, synthetic beeswax, niacinamide, quaternium 18 hectorite, dimethicone/vinyl dimethicone cross-polymer, glycerol behenate/icosahexaenoate, vinyl dimethicone/methicone silsesquioxane cross-polymer, phenoxyethanol, capryloglycol, hydroxyethylurea, yeast extract, fragrance, parfum, xanthan gum, Eclipta prostata extract, disodium edta, Melia azadiracta leaf extract, propylene glycol, Moringa oleifera seed oil, Ocimum sanctum leaf extract, Azadiracta indica leaf extract, Mentha arvensis extract, Bambusa arundinacea juice, Pinus sylvestris bud extract, ethylhexylglycerin. Warnings. For external use only. Use only as directed. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse eyes thoroughly. If swallowed, get medical help or contact the Poison Control Center immediately. Do not use on wounds, rashes, broken or damaged skin. Discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs and consult a physician if needed. Protect the product from excessive heat or direct sunlight. Do not store at high temperatures. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.